Tired of just watching your Bybit options expire and potentially missing out on profits? Let's unlock the secrets to exiting those contracts like a pro. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Bybit account, then navigate to the Derivatives tab at the top and select Options from the drop-down menu. Now, locate the Positions tab at the bottom of the screen, or wherever your active contracts are displayed. Find the specific options contract you want to close. This will show you your open positions. Once you've located your contract, you'll see several options. Look for a button labeled Close, Sell, or something similar. Depending on Bybit's interface updates, this is your ticket out of the trade. Click on it. An order entry box will pop up here. You'll specify the details of your exit order. You can choose to close at the market price for immediate execution, or set a limit price if you have a specific profit target for a quick exit. Market price is usually the easiest option. Double-check the quantity, ensuring it matches the number of options contracts you're looking to exit. This is important to close the entire position. Review your order details one last time, then click the Confirm or Sell button to submit your exit order. Voila! Your order will be executed, and your options contract will be closed. You can verify this in your order history or by checking that the contract is no longer listed in your Positions tab. Congratulations! You've successfully exited your Bybit options contract.